When somebody asks, what do you do? Okay? Don't say what you do. We're a software company, we're a logistics company, we're a sales coaching company. Say, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things that we do? Sure, because that allows you to now tell a story, right? What we do, okay, broad spectrum, it's sales coaching, but what we're really good at is taking a sales professional that's already good and giving them a really simple, straightforward process so that they can typically close 3 to 7 times more business without a single increase in marketing, leads, or territory or products change. Right? How are you guys handling that right now in terms of growing your business? And then that way, when you say, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things that I do? If they're not in line with being able to work with you, if you've told them that story, it's easier for them to go, yo, B-Rad money. This is my friend Matt. Matt, this is B-Rad. We went to college together. I do not need sales coaching. I'm a senior solutions architect for an engineering firm. B-Rad was just complaining that his sales team sucks. Right? Let me introduce you two guys. But if I just say I'm into coaching, sales coaching, they're never going to make that connection. You have to paint a little story. So be prepared to go into that event with a story ready to happen.